You work hard, but by the end of the month, your bank account looks like it went on a tropical vacation without you. Frustrating, right? If you're nodding your head, you're not alone. Many of us struggle to track spending and manage subscriptions that siphon off our hard-earned cash. That's where budgeting apps come in. They're like financial superheroes, swooping in to bring order to the chaos. But with so many options out there, it can be overwhelming. Today, we're diving deep into Rocket Money, a popular app claiming to be your one-stop financial control center. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, does Rocket Money offer loans through their app? The answer is no. While Rocket Money itself doesn't provide loans, it's important to clarify because there can be some confusion. Their parent company, Rocket Companies, offers personal loans through a separate platform called Rocket Loans website. Okay, so no loans within the Rocket Money app. But what can it do? Buckle up, because Rocket Money boasts a whole suite of features designed to transform your financial game. Feature frenzy, what's in Rocket Money's toolbox? Subscription slayer, we've all been there. You sign up for a free trial, forget to cancel, and bam! You're hit with a surprise charge. Rocket Money takes the sting out of subscriptions by finding all your recurring payments across different accounts. See those forgotten gym memberships or unused streaming services? Rocket Money can help you cancel them with a tap, saving you precious cash. Bill busting buddy, dread due dates and overdraft fees? Rocket Money can track your bills, notify you when they're approaching, and even help you budget to avoid those nasty surprises. Think of it as a friendly financial reminder system that keeps you on top of your obligations. Budgeting Boss, speaking of budgeting, Rocket Money helps you create customized spending plans. Whether you're a die-hard envelope system fan or a digital devotee, Rocket Money caters to different budgeting styles. It categorizes your transactions, tracks your spending habits, and helps you identify areas where you can tighten your belt. Savings on autopilot, setting aside money for a rainy day or a dream vacation can be tough. But what if your savings could grow almost magically? Rocket Money offers a feature called Auto-Save that analyzes your spending patterns and automatically transfers small amounts into your savings account. It's like having a tiny financial fairy godmother sprinkling savings dust over your budget. Bill Negotiation Ninja, feeling like you're overpaying on internet or cable bills? Rocket Money can actually negotiate lower rates on your behalf. They use their expertise and industry knowledge to haggle with providers and potentially save you money. Is Rocket Money right for you? So, with all these features, is Rocket Money the ultimate financial control center? Well, it depends on your needs. Here's the good news. Rocket Money offers a free tier that lets you track your spending and subscriptions. This is a great way to test the app and see if its basic functionalities fit your budgeting style. If you're looking for more advanced features like bill negotiation and autosave, you'll need to upgrade to their premium plan. The cost varies depending on which features you choose, so be sure to check their website for current pricing. The takeaway: take control of your finances. Ultimately, the best budgeting app is the one you'll actually use. Rocket Money offers a compelling set of tools to manage subscriptions, track spending, and potentially save you money. Whether you choose the free tier or the premium plan, Rocket Money can empower you to take control of your finances and reach your financial goals. So, what are you waiting for? Download Rocket Money or another budgeting app that suits your needs and take charge of your financial future. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.